In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your WordPress website to HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to manage forms, pop-ups, live chat, and more right from your WordPress site, all powered by HubSpot. We'll start inside HubSpot. From your HubSpot dashboard, click the settings icon in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. In the left sidebar, look for integrations and then select Connected Apps. This is the command center where you can see everything that's linked to your HubSpot account. If you haven't connected anything yet, you'll see a prompt that says, Connect to your first app. Click that, and HubSpot will open the App Marketplace in a new panel or tab. The Marketplace is where you'll find official apps that work seamlessly with HubSpot. Use the search bar to type WordPress. You should see the WordPress app appear in the results. Here's an important detail. Click Install next to the WordPress app, not Connect. Install is the option that properly sets up the integration for WordPress, and it ensures the next steps trigger the right authorization flow. HubSpot will now guide you to log in to your WordPress site. Make sure you're using an administrator account so you have permission to add and authorize plugins. Follow the prompts on screen to approve the connection and allow the requested permissions. This step links your HubSpot portal to your specific WordPress website, so double-check that the site URL shown is the one you intend to connect. Once authorization is complete, head back to HubSpot and return to Settings, then Integrations, then Connected Apps. You should now see WordPress listed as a connected app. That's your confirmation that the integration is live. From here, you can start placing HubSpot assets on your WordPress pages. Embed HubSpot forms to capture leads, add pop-ups to highlight special offers, turn on chat flows for real-time support or sales conversations, and take advantage of CRM-powered features to track and nurture contacts. If something doesn't appear right away on your site, clear your WordPress cache or refresh your page builder, and make sure you're logged into the same HubSpot account you connected. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you manage multiple HubSpot accounts or multiple WordPress environments, confirm you're in the correct portal and connecting the correct site. And if you don't see the install button, you might need admin permissions in HubSpot to add apps. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now connected to HubSpot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.